Yo, what's good guys, producer Mykah here, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make an Afro Dancehall beat, a vibe for like Burnaboy. I'm gonna be showing you how to create some groovy drums and some nice chord progression to follow along with it. So without wasting time guys, let's go right to our DAW and start working on this beat. So quickly, I'm just going to get my one shot, which is very important. So I've already selected the one shot that I'm gonna be using for this. So let's just go to this pack and you have some hi-hats, some kicks. So I'm just gonna pick my kick and my rim shots that I'm gonna be using. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is to set my tempo, and I'm gonna be using the tempo of 98. That's close to 100. I'm gonna be using the tempo of 98. I don't know why it's asking me to stretch. Yeah, so on the tempo of 98, and I'm just gonna quickly just arrange my drums. So I'm gonna start with the rim shots, and you have two different rims. It's actually good to have like two rims playing, or using two rims to create your percussion groove or your snare groove, because it gives it some kind of movement, not just having the same kind of snare playing all through. So for my first rim shot, I'm just gonna create my pattern and call this rim. And for me, I like arranging my stuff on the piano roll. I think it's how I got used to creating beats. I hardly use, arrange my stuff on the channel rack. I go to the piano roll to arrange it. So I'm just gonna go to the piano roll and just try to fix the rim shots. All right, so let's go to our C5. I'm just gonna place it here. And why I use the piano roll is because I can actually control the velocity here. I can just make it sound the way I want it to sound. So I'm just gonna put that here. So let's turn on my metronome and let's go. So then I'm just gonna use a swing of, let's say a swing of 10. I'm just gonna put the rim shots on 4 bars and create on that rim shot, which is going to be our rim 2. So for the rim 2, which is this rim here, I'm just gonna put that here, that's it. Yeah, so just one, so it gives it, a kind of groove instead of the same snare playing all through, man. Yeah, nice. So the next thing I'm gonna do quickly is just bring in my kick. This is gonna be a fast beat, man. So I'm gonna bring in my kick. Yeah. So just this. Then I have this percussion groove that I'm just gonna layer underneath. Yeah. So let me just go to my master and just put in my soft clipper. So everything, everything is sounding nice and good. Yeah, we have a bounce already. So next I'm gonna add in this hi-hat. It's also a hi-hat loop. So, and this is what everything sounds like together. So I'm gonna add some nice congas, and for the conga I'm gonna go to Colors Pack, and I'm just gonna put that around here. Just shift it a little bit. Yeah. So you have a bounce. Let me add this percussion. Let me add this knock. Yes, sir. Yeah. Take it like that. what else we can add. I think I'm gonna add this at the ending. Nice. I love the way everything is sounding. So I can start bringing in, you know, some melodies, some chord progression and all. So let me just quickly save these. So next, I'm just going to bring in my chord progression, and for the keys, I'm gonna be using Labs. Labs is a free plugin, so in case you guys need some new sounds, just go get Labs. Labs is amazing. So I'm just gonna create the chord progression. Yeah, nice. So we have our chords. I'm just gonna quantize everything. So we have this. But I want to be on the key of E, and this is the key of C. So I'm just gonna go up. This is C. This is E. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm just gonna go up 4 semitones using my shift and the up button. So yeah, we have our E now. Okay, so what I want to do again is to make the chord unique. So it's not just the same thing playing all through. So I'm gonna copy this here, and I'm gonna add on that note here. Yeah. So then next I'm gonna bring in my bass, and for the bass, you know. So next I'm gonna bring in my bass, which is Trillion bass. You know I love Trillion bass, so let's go and get Trillion bass. And I'm just gonna be using this preset. It's something big and clicky. Yeah, big and clicky too. So this nice sub bass. So yeah, I'm just gonna use that for my bass. I think I'm gonna use the lower octave. Let's see. I'm gonna layer the chord because the keys on its own is sounding weak. So I'm actually gonna layer it with some chords from analog. So I'm gonna copy the same chord from here. Let's create on that pattern and call this analog. And I'm just gonna get analog lab 4. And I'm gonna go with Opia Sounds I Love by Kill September. And I'm just gonna go with this distraction. So all I'm gonna do is just paste the chord I copied. So it sounds like this. The bass is too loud, just turn it down a little bit. Yeah, let me just quantize everything. Create on that melody. I'm gonna be using Lounge Lizard for that, and I'm gonna be using this preset. So let's call this E piano. So what I'm just gonna do is paste that same chord progression, you know, that I copied. This. I'm just gonna bring the velocity down, you know. Yeah, make it soft. Then I'm gonna strum it. So we have this. Nice and jazzy, you know. So let's just nice. I love this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pick this and take it an octave. I've done this a lot in my videos. So just do this. Let's take it an octave higher. So I'm gonna do it twice. So I have this. Do the same thing for this other chord here, but just once. So I have this. Take it an octave higher. Let's have our intro. So for the intro, I want you to have like, boom. So I need it to hit like, let me just shift this a bar. I want to create a kind of intro. Let's have, so something like this. I'm just gonna make the beats heavy. Just gonna bring in iron pusher just to make everything heavy. Yeah. This a vibe, man. This a vibe. Yo guys, so you can see how very easy it is to create a Burnaboy kind of beat, the Afro Dancehall kind of vibe. All you just need to do is to have some nice punchy drums and some nice chord progressions, and you have it going. So guys, if you learned something from this, kindly give me a thumbs up, like the video, and let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I'm sure gonna respond to every one of you. Thank you guys for watching, and you know the vibe. Peace.